print is completed in 1851, so just a year after that. So by that time, Americans throughout the country are very aware of this rising, growing women's rights movement and its vibrance and its increasing power in the United States. And yet the images are changing very little. This is about 75 years after that previous image. We see a woman in the center who is Mrs. Turkey. She's smoking, she's wearing bloomers, she's showing us her ankle, which may not seem very scandalous to us in the 21st century, but would have been remarkable in 1851. She has her hand fairly condescendingly placed on this man's head who's hunched over, kind of looking like an older woman mending clothes, doing these menial tasks. Both of them are ignoring the child who is crying in the front of the room. You know, his banner says, "No more Papa and Mama." In the background, we have these two women, both holding banners as well, also wearing bloomers. One says, "No more basement and kitchen." And I think she's intending to represent a servant, a working class woman. And the other one is a Black woman who's smoking a pipe, and she has a sign protesting slavery. So we have this scene that's very much kind of in the same world as the previous one. It's suggesting that if women gain rights, if women seek power and win power, they're going to abandon their domestic duties. They're going to force men to become more womanly. And it's going to lead to other changes, including challenging the class hierarchies, like we see with this domestic servant, as well as the racial hierarchies and the system of slavery.